Hello friends, welcome you all on your PD education. So friends, before 2 to 3 days before, I have uploaded a video regarding NTPC recruitment, and as I have promised you that day that whenever the detailed notification will be out, I will just update you, and the link of this website will be in the description, and I will discuss in detail that what are the number of vacancies, which branch student can apply, and how to apply, last date, starting date, application fees, and what is the selection criteria. So watch this video till end, and this video will be totally in English according to whatever the demand students have mentioned in the comment section. And also, if you have not subscribed, just subscribe this video. And if you want that we just make a form filling video or how to apply this, basically, then I require 10k views. Okay, when 10k views complete, the how to fill form of NTPC application form is basically I am going to upload. Okay, that is very important. Okay, so now let's see. So just click on English advertisement. So here you can see detailed this notification, I can say. So if I want to, this is a JPG image. Okay, so here you can see, yes, this is correct. So first of all, here you can see the vacancies are for the post of engineer executive trainee 2021, for electrical 98, large number of vacancies, more number of vacancies, mechanical 126, very good, electronics and instrumentation 56. Now qualification, full time bachelor degree in engineering or technology AMI with less than 65 with not less than 65% marks as per the, okay, final year semester students are also eligible to apply. So this is very important. Okay, final year students are eligible, and for SC/ST candidate this percentage is reduced to 55%. Now here you can see discipline advertised and prescribed full-time degree in. So if you want to apply in electrical engineering post, that are 98 vacancies, then if you have BTech in electrical and electronics, electrical instrumentation and control, power system and high voltage power electronic, then you can apply. Similarly here you can see, okay, now age limit is 27 years on the last date of application, and here you can see selection process. Eligible candidate must have appeared for graduate aptitude test in engineering 2021. So only GATE 2021 students can apply. Now here you can see that the paper requirement. Now if you have BTech in any one of this, and if suppose if you have BTech in instrumentation and control, if you want to apply for this post of electrical engineering, then you must have given the GATE paper in EE. So this is very important, that GATE code. Okay, now category wise vacancies are given here. You can see category wise vacancies, and compensation and benefits. So pay scale is 40,000 to 1 lakh and 40,000 per basic pay on E1 grade. Now other benefits such as dearness allowance and other are provided to you. So this is a very good opportunity, I can say. Now reservation and relaxation is as per the Government of India rules, and health, basically we can say service agreement bond. So bond is of 5 lakh. So it is rule of, I think, Indian Railways also and other government institutes also, that you have to fill a bond. Okay, now how to apply? So for apply, I can say you have to just go here and just click here. So click here, you can on the application. So I will zoom out again it so that you can listen. Now you can see, okay, now application fees is 300 rupees for here, and online application you can fill. General information is basically not more than, you can go through this like nationality, and also all general details are there. And commencement of online application 21/5 today only, and last date is 10th/6. So if you have any doubt, you can go to frequently asked question, and you can also just we can say mention in the comment section. If you have any doubt, I will make a video, and if I get 10k views and more likes on this video, then I will make a form filling video also. So it's all about your response to this video. I will just make a video as early as possible. So thank you very much friends, keep supporting your PD education.